everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to take you to 5 different Japanese restaurants to try 5 different kinds of spicy tuna crispy rice. Also, it's Roger's first time trying spicy tuna crispy rice. Roger's behind the camera. Everyone say hello to Roger.
Hi.
No one said hi to you, Roger.
Oh.
So we're considering 3 things. The first is presentation, which has a lot to do with the sauces that they use, the jalapeno, avocado. The second factor is the texture of the tuna, and the third factor is the texture of the rice. Go ahead and watch this vlog, and I'll be right here waiting for you to let you know my ranking of the 5 different restaurants and what I thought of each dish. We missed a light. This restaurant we're about to get to, I believe it was formerly known as Kai Ramen, but now I'm seeing that they changed their name to Ramen Melrose. Here, it's green, it's green, it's green. Come on. Oh yeah. You have the layer of cold spicy tuna with a jalapeno and the spicy mayo on top. A little sesame seed for a little extra crunch. And you bite into this rice that's like perfectly crisped up, still soft enough, but also still like give you the crunch that you want from a spicy tuna crispy rice. Okay, listen to this. 15% gratuity, good job. 18%, awesome. 20%, you are God. Dang it! It's only a right turn here, but I wanted to turn left. That was my plan all along. I don't like to follow the law when it comes to driving in LA because there's rarely ever that many cops, except I do have like a $280 ticket for turning left and it's right.
Oh, exactly like this?
Yeah, precisely. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna turn right because there's clearly no way that I'm ever gonna be able to turn left. Oops, I'm so sorry. This is very illegal. Do not do this at home. Whoo! Here we are, pulling up. Don't fall, baby. They put a lot of sriracha on this one. This one tastes more like a French fry, deep fried. Also, this one is like a lot more saucy. The other place just put a jalapeno and spicy mayo on it. I don't know, I'm not gonna finish it. Okay, it's pretty good.
Oh, is this the sushi place over here?
You've been here?
No, like this one right here, right?
No, that's Wells Fargo, bro. Really funny guy.
I thought you were in on the joke.
So here already I can see a major difference. These ones are fried and then cut instead of frying the entire square. Oddly enough, the deep fried rice gives it sort of a donut flavor. It's a big, thick piece of rice to bite through. It's not crispy on all sides the way that the other ones were because it's cut on the side, so you still have the softness. The speaker was a little loud, so then you wouldn't be able to hear my amazing, beautiful voice telling you how I feel about the 4th spicy tuna crispy rice you've seen me try today. So we're gonna go and sit out here. The last time I ate here, I ordered a salmon sushi and some kind of sushi roll. Definitely got food poisoning. Didn't stop me from coming back though, so. I guess I've never tried the ramen here, so maybe I should stop coming here for the spicy tuna crispy rice and the sushi and start coming here for the ramen, because that is their specialty, is the ramen experience. Believe it or not, this is the most expensive Rice Krispie. Wait, this is the most expensive spicy tuna crispy rice that we've had all day. 12 bucks. There it is. Probably the least spicy of all of them. Texture of the rice is great. Tuna texture, great. Definitely the most bang for your buck. We're finally done! Can you believe how much spicy tuna crispy rice you just watched us eat? In all honesty, I might not eat spicy tuna crispy rice for a long time after gorging that much. So let's get right into the ranking. In slot number 5, at no surprise. What do you think number 5 is? Just sit there and think about it.
MELROSE.
Yeah. It was the most expensive one that we purchased all day. So it was sort of shocking that theirs was the most expensive and also not very good. It sort of unsettled me to the point where I didn't feel comfortable taking another bite. Also, I had a history of getting food poisoning there the last time I was there, so I was also a little hesitant, thinking that maybe it was going to mess up my stomach before we went to the next location. It looked pretty nice on the plate. So what they did was they covered it with eel sauce and then put a jalapeno on each one. And then they just put a mound of spicy tuna. So the ratio of rice to spicy tuna was a little off for the flavor. It didn't taste as fresh as I would like spicy tuna to taste. And also the rice got stuck in my teeth. I wouldn't recommend that place to anyone. So you heard it here first. Sorry. It might be a good ramen experience, but I've actually never had their ramen. Moving on to fourth place, we have MOMOTA, located in Beverly Hills. This one was pretty good, but a little too saucy. There's like a little fishiness flavor. It's not like the fish isn't fresh enough to be edible, but it's almost like maybe it's a day or two old. They covered it with a lot of sauce, a little too much sauce, and there was also no fresh jalapeno on top. That to me makes a huge change. They did add avocado, which I thought was okay, but it was unnecessary. The texture of the crispy rice, it was almost like a hash brown or some kind of French fry, more than like a crispy rice. Overall, the top 3 contenders I would recommend to anyone. In third place is Yen Sushi, in second place is Sushi Dan, and in first place is Ramen Melrose. Coming up right in third place is Yen Sushi on Ventura Boulevard in Studio City. On Fridays at Yen Sushi, Spicy Tuna Crispy Rice is 40% off. So we ended up only paying $8.50 for the 4 pieces of Spicy Tuna Crispy Rice. It came out on a nice little wooden board. Roger said that it might have been his favorite place because of the texture of the rice. He really liked it. To me, it was a little too on the deep fried side, similar to MOMOTA, so that's why I kept it in third place. So the number 1 contender for Spicy Tuna Crispy Rice of all the 5 that we tried has to be Ramen Melrose, which is shocking to me, actually. It was the perfect amount of crisp and crunch without being too deep fried and also without being so sticky that it gets stuck in the back of your teeth. The spicy tuna that was on top was a great flavor. It had a nice little dollop of spicy mayo and a great little jalapeno on top to give that little crunch and that spicy freshness. I loved it. And to top it all off, it had a nice drench of eel sauce on it to give it a little bit of sweetness. Oh, I love spicy tuna crispy rice! If you happen to be in the Los Angeles area, definitely stop by Ramen Melrose and give their Spicy Tuna Crispy Rice a chance. And while you're giving things away, go ahead and give me some comments, some likes, some subscriptions, and definitely give me a click on that notification bell, because what better way to spend your afternoons than watching me do weird, fun things and just live life. Thank you so much for watching my video. I can't wait to see you next week.